Welcome to online classes of Mount Litra Z School Alwar. Good morning, students. This is Vartika, your EVS teacher. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Today, the date is 23rd April 2020 and day is Thursday. And it's time to start a new chapter, that is your chapter number 3, Communities on the Move. In this lesson, you learn about Raju's family. Here you can see the family picture of Raju, who is a farmer and belongs to the farming community. Now let us first see what is community. So students, community is a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. As I told you, there are many different communities present in India. These include farmers, blacksmiths, cobblers, etc. In this chapter, let us learn more about the farming community, in which we will discuss how farmers live in villages and work on their fields to grow crops and how urbanization has affected them. Here, urbanization is when an area becomes more urban or more like a big city, and this happens when more number of people migrate from villages to cities. Now, here we have a question under quick start, and this question is to check your previous knowledge. This is related to your last chapter that we have done on lifestyle of community servers. So let's see. Write in brief about a community of your choice. Means a community whom you like the most. And for that, refer the following points. First, name of the community. Second, what do they do for a living? And third, what is their daily routine or lifestyle? This question is to be done in LR only, and in case you are not having your LR, then you can also write in any rough notebook. Now, here we have the two pictures of village. Most of the villages look like these. There are most of bullock carts and there are lots of greenery all around. You can see here lots of trees and lots of huts. So, this is a kind of view of any village. Here we have a question that have you ever seen any village? So, if you have seen a village, you must be agree with it. Now, we are talking about Raju's family here. So let's see what is the story of Raju. Raju lives in a small village in Maharashtra. Raju's father is a farmer who works in the field whole day long to grow crops. Raju's mother is a housewife. She also helps Raju's father in the field. Raju also has a younger brother, Ramu, who is 3 years old. From time to time, Raju's father borrows money to run his family expenses from Shivrao, who is a rich farmer having acres of land and also lend or give money to the poor farmers. Not only Raju's father but also many other farmers in the village also borrow money from Shivrao. Shivrao has an assistant or an agent, Varun, who maintains a record of the loans taken by the farmers. So, Shivrao and Varun call upon the farmers to discuss with them about how they will repay the loans taken by them, and then the talks for the next few months begin. The agent Varun explains to the villagers in which areas they would go for the next 6 months to work as long as their crops are grown and harvested, and in the exchange of the loan they are made to work in the fields by the richer farmers. Why this is so? Because as the monsoon gets over, there is not much work in the field, and after growing crops these farmers become jobless, and then they wait for their turn that they could get some work again by rich farmers like Shivrao, and he helped them to find jobs in sugarcane fields. Now, Raju's father decides to work in the sugarcane fields and moves away with his family for the next 6 months. As Raju also leave his village, he cannot attend his school, and he also help his father in the sugarcane field where his father along with the other farmers goes to work early in the morning. When Raju's father carries the sugarcane to the sugarcane factory, he gets a receipt, and then Raju's father show this receipt to the agent who then maintains an account of the loan. What happens next? Raju's father moves away from their native village and stay away from home for months, while some members, mostly old and ill members, stay back in the village. And so Raju also misses his very old grandfather who has lost his eyesight and is all alone in the village. But in between of everything, loans, debts and poverty, Raju's mother continues to dream big for him. She wants her son to continue with his studies and become somebody in life. She feels that Raju should go to school and continue his studies. She does not want that Raju also live his life on loans, debts and at the mercy of greedy people like Shivrao. So this is the story of Raju where we have seen how Raju, his family and many other families of the village leave their native villages for months together to work for the amount that they have borrowed from the agents. This causes their children to become irregular in schools and thus neglecting their studies. But this all happened in olden times because nowadays, even during the dry season or at the time of no rain, water can be sent to the field by the use of tube wells, canals, sprinklers, etc. Now, the movement of farmers from one village to another is no longer seen. So, this is all about this chapter. Now, as some of you are not having your LR, so keeping in mind, I am sharing your chapter that will help them to read so that they can also do let's practice and home activity question. Here we go. So, students, this is the story of Raju which I have discussed today with you all, and I hope you all must have understood it. Now, this is the glossary of this chapter which you have to read, learn, and also have to write. Let's move further. This mind map question is given in your LR, so do it in LR only, otherwise, write in rough notebook. Question is, show how people feel when they move to a city and stay away from the family. So, students, as they may find it difficult to adjust in a new place, they feel sad, bad, lonely, and isolated. Also, they miss their family members and friends. Next is let's practice question for you. Do these fill in the blanks in your notebook after the glossary. And last, home activity question. Do you know any job or work that requires people to stay away from their families for several months? Find out any 5 examples from real life and write in your notebook. So, students, this is all for today and I hope you all have enjoyed the session. In case of any query, you can contact on my number. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care and goodbye.